All right, welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Athletics is where we run off as Jaheel Hyde and Genevieve Russell are among the qualifiers for tomorrow's final of the men's and women's 400-meter hurdles as the J3A Supreme Ventures National Senior and Junior Championships, which got underway at the National Stadium today and is currently on. I think we're going to join the live feed at some point. Hyde posted 50.66 seconds to move into the final of the men's equivalent along with Kemar Mowat, who returned a season's best of 49.69. Now the quarterfinals of the men's 100 meters and first round of the women's equivalent will be contested at about 9 this evening. Live coverage is currently on TVJ Sports Network and onespotmedia.com. It's also on Hits 92 FM. Now let's just take a look back at the 100 meters, which was run early this evening.
Little twitch on the inside, but Fraser Price out like a bullet and comes away from the field. Chasing her is White and Smith. It's Shelley and Fraser Price with a bullet start clear of the two chasing youngsters. Eases up near the end. 10.98 on the clock, a 45th sub 11-second run, and the Mummy Rocket is racing at full speed here with Natalia White and Jonelle Smith close for second. 10.93. Good start for this young lady, Brianna Williams. And Elaine Thompson comes upside her very quickly. She runs with her, does Williams, but Elaine Thompson, Olympic champion, shows her class and saunters across the line in 10.92 on the clock downstairs for the Olympic champion, Elaine Thompson. Time goes down to 10.89. That equals her season's best. They get up quickly and Chambers out fast as usual, but Tracy comes upside him. It's Tracy and Chambers and Carter on the outside. On the very inside, here comes Taekwondo Tracy again. Comes across looking comfortable at 10.24. That was cricket. You dig out the York out of your crease, and Taekwondo Tracy comes through 10.21. Field out together. Good start for Blake. He comes up. Williams is with him, going pretty fast, and here comes Blake. Blake and Wazing Williams to hit the front. Blake looks across and sees the young man Williams, who comes across together. 10.09 downstairs with this man Johan Blake and Wasim Williams, a former World Youth 100 finalist, running side by side.